Hello sir, today I am unboxing the mini bar set of Air Force. Similarly, we have Indian Army and Indian Navy also. So just to show what are the things when mini bar set is bought by clients, I am going to show. This is how we send the parcel to the clients in good packing. You can see in cardboard packing and with fragile sticker and all. Now I am unboxing it. You can see nice Air Force emblem here with a nice handle. This entire box is made of leather. You can have a password also. You can have a password lock system. You can see good quality locking system here. It comes with 00 password. So you can set your own password later. You can see nice Air Force logo here. Beautiful hipster bottle, stainless steel body, unbreakable. You can see nice Air Force logo on the peg glass. And this is opener. You can see Air Force logo. This is ice cube tongs. This is cocktail mixer flask made of good quality stainless steel body. You can see Air Force logo on the top and good quality body, stainless steel. This is how inside, and there is a filter here. And here it is, a bottle opener. And here we are having good quality Sparkle brand water glasses, well wrapped in bubble sheet for safety in the transit. You can see Indian Air Force logo nicely printed. Very good quality glass. We have 6 of them here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The cost of this box is 5,000 rupees and we have offer going on. We'll put it in the description box, present offer, and also you can visit our website indiawings.co.in. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be coming back with new product next time. Our company is located at Bangalore, a place called Bhumisandra Industrial Area, and we are supplying 600 plus souvenirs like this for the defense and the corporate gifting. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share this video. Thank you all.